Hi friends, I'm Minnie. And today we're going to play with some puzzles. Ready? Let's get started. Ooh, that's a ghost. Let's put all the pieces together. Let's start with the corners. That's right. Keep going. Where does this fit in? Wow! The first row's almost done. Yes, that's his tail and the mouth. And the last row is complete. Almost done. And we need to find his head. That's right. We've solved our first jigsaw puzzle. Ooh, that's a pumpkin. Let's start with the corners. Yes. Yes, that's right. And now, ooh, the sides. Where does this go? That's right. Good. Keep going. Right there. Fits perfectly. Wow, the mouth, the face, and we're done. Ooh, a vampire. Of course, the corners first. You're getting good at this. Wow! Fits perfectly. And now for his left eye. And his mouth. That's right. Ooh, his arms. And his right eye. We're done here. Wow, this was easy. Ooh, a witch. Let's start with the corners. Wow, the first row is almost done. Where does this go? Right there. Wow! Fits perfectly! This is so easy, isn't it? Now we need her face. There! The witch is ready to fly to the moon. Next is the monster. The corners first. That is right. And done with the corners. Now, that's his teeth. Ooh. Perfect sides. And the hands. Wonderful. Wicked. That's right. His horns. And the last piece is left. And there it is. We are done. This was so cool and so much fun. That's right. Come back for more. Bye. Hi friends, I'm Minnie. And today we are going to play a fun memory game with these amazing magical cards. Ready? We have to memorize the cards and find a pair. That easy. Ready, Len?
Ready? Okay.
Okay, let's start. Wow, a ghost. That's a mummy, not the right pair. A vampire, another one. We found a pair. Yay! What's next? A mummy and a ghost again? No, not the right pair. A skeleton and another one. Yes, another pair. Good job. Mummy again. No, that's not the right pair. Yes, that's a ghost. Another one. We found the bear. Wow. A mummy and another mummy. Finally, we found it. Good job, friends. Let's try this one more time. Ready? A pumpkin and a monster. Not a bear. A werewolf and a witch. Definitely not a bear. A witch again. And another one. We found the bear. Wow. A monster. No, not a pumpkin. That's not a bear. A werewolf and another one. Yay! We found the second bear. Good job. Pumpkin. Ooh, 2 pumpkins. We found another bear. Ooh, a monster and another one. Yay! We had so much fun. We got all of them right. Yay! This was so much fun. Bye.
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Minnie.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.